Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you unboxing of this particular item. Maybe this is something new, and I found it in IKEA very cheaper. It is around not even $1, it is 59, so it is around 0.8 cents, 80 cents, so 80 cents. So you can definitely get it in any of the IKEA store in the world for only 80 cents. So in Indian rupees I would say it is 56 rupees. I got it for 56 rupees only, and this is basically the name of the product is let me tell you, it is SKALAD, SKALAD. It is only for your salad purpose. You just need to make your salad. It is very helpful while making salad, and it has a different cover as well. I'll open it and show you. And the MRP shows little higher, but let me tell you what is MRP is 83 rupees, but you can definitely get it for 56 rupees in IKEA. Let me quickly open the item and we can see this SKALAD. So you know that IKEA items are having pretty good quality items, and you can definitely rely on these items, and I definitely rely on the IKEA products more often. So let me quickly open it. Even it will be difficult for me to open right now. Let me try it quickly. Finally I'm able to open it. I should have some knife or something. Yeah, so this is the one. The handle is pretty good. You can see the handle, it is quite good, and it also has a cap on it. So see, the cap quality is also good, but it is made up of plastic, not rubber. And if you see the knife, the size itself is good, like around, you will get around 5 to 6 centimeter of the chopping area. And let me show you a quick demo of this, how it works. So I do have a chopping board here. Let me quickly get it. And I do have a English cucumber here. Let us quickly try to chop it. So yeah, you don't need to apply much pressure on it to chop it, and you can easily chop this. See, and for salad we definitely need to chop this in such a way that it should be chopped evenly in all the items. Let me yeah, now I am a pro with this particular knife. Slowly you will become pro, but do not try to mess up with this knife, because it is too sharp and you might get hurt. So yeah, this is the knife, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is a good item for you to purchase. You definitely, whenever you visit the store, you definitely ask for this product. You will get it in 59 at less than $1, 0.80 cents. And the small item which is behind this particular chopping board is also less than $1. It is for around it is again 80 cents as well, I guess. So both of the items purchase link I'll provide in description. You can go ahead and check it out. Friends, thank you, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.